Hello YouTube. Going to do a video on an exhaust I recently purchased for my Honda CBR600RR. I got the Dominator exhaust off eBay, the cheap option. The reason I went that way is the bike didn't cost that much, so I couldn't justify spending $600–700 Australian when I could purchase this one for $280. I'll do the sound, some flybys with the dB killer in and the dB killer out. If you want to hear what it sounded like stock, there's plenty of those videos on YouTube. So in conclusion, I'm quite happy with the exhaust. It may not come across on the videos, but there's quite a sound difference between the dB killer in and the dB killer out. The auto gain microphone for my camera adjusted the levels, I feel, because it's quite noticeable, the difference between them. The install was quite easy. I didn't look at any videos, instructions, anything like that, and had it changed out in about an hour and a half. Yeah, no, I don't think you'll be disappointed with the product.